Yeah.
Welcome to another episode of Everyday Adventures. Today we are at the Edwards Air Force Base Air Show. So we might get a sonic boom right now. We'll see. Yeah, it's actually a free show. Pretty awesome. Here they come. I'm flying over. Check it out. Here we go. Freaking F-16 is absolutely awesome. We're gonna see some of those flying here in a little bit for the sonic boom demonstration done by NASA. They're gonna do a modern plane as well as some newer planes, so we can hear like the difference between old planes and new planes. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty incredible.
Two F-16.
Check out this F-22. This thing is absolutely incredible. Yeah, look at that. Such a rad, it's just badass. F-22 Raptor. Imagine how cool it is to actually be the dude who gets to fly this thing. Got some Predator drones here. Things are huge compared to what they look like when you see them. Like, they're just as big as the F-22. But I think their wingspan is, obviously the wingspan is way bigger than the F-22s, but that's just because so this thing could just go way up high and just sit up there, you know?
Yeah, he can stay on station forever.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, setting up from the east for landing is your Edwards Air Force Base F-22.
It's hot out here. Time to cool down. Need some sonic booms here shortly. It's gonna be incredible. Now we're getting ready for the sonic boom corridor. So we got me, Delane, my buddy Jeffro, my brother Eric. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. I just saw him come, the little things come on.
That was 30 seconds after it happened. And now the one that happened first will hear just a few.
Walk into the hangar. It's a massive hangar. Go check out the STEM exhibit. Got a P-51 up flying around. This hangar door is monstrous, huh? So we got this B-52, the Dragon's Inferno.
B-36 Peacemaker.
The B-36 Peacemaker, okay. This thing is incredible. Such a cool aircraft. And these run like a jet motor on them. They don't run like a turbofan. They almost run like an engine similar to like a jet fighter. Really long range airplane. STEM Expo. It's got all kinds of stuff. Over here they're doing like some things with robots. Got some model airplanes which we actually do fly. Got a little area over here just for jump houses for some kids. And then just different booths. Again, it's all STEM stuff. Pretty cool. Got some small little planes right here. Got some stunt planes, some cool little bush planes. Pretty awesome. A lot of people here. Wasn't expecting to be this crowded, honestly, but for a free event, it's been really cool. Really awesome, actually. A lot of cool stuff we've gotten to see today. Alright guys, sorry you didn't actually get to hear the jets in this clip, but unfortunately there was way too much copyrighted music in the background. but don't worry, I got you. Now, here's the Dark Star from the new Top Gun 2 movie. This is the plane that Tom Cruise is flying in the beginning. That's sweet. Top Gun, Need for Speed. B-1B Lancer, Northrop Grumman, Stargazer, and the NASA Sophia, which is the stratospheric observatory and infrared astronomy plane. So it actually has like telescopes on the plane. They can open up the doors on it and take pictures up at high altitude. Pretty awesome. The next day, my phone died while we were at the air show. By the time we got home last night, there was some pretty heavy traffic and a lot of rain actually for being in Southern California. It was 90 degrees at the air show, and then when we actually got back into like the LA area, it was cold, windy, pouring rain. So thank you for joining us. Thank you for tagging along with me on another everyday adventure. Please remember to like, subscribe, share these videos if you want them. I promise they will get better. I'm just starting off. I've really been wanting to do this and just, you know, show things that there is to do around Southern California or wherever. You know, we're just in Northern California. Do things in Southern California. Maybe do big trips. Just thank you for tagging along. Again, if you like the videos, please share them. Please give them a like. Please subscribe to the channel. Again, we are going to be working on content to make things better. But other than that, it is Sunday night. Hope you guys all have a great evening. Have a great work week. Hope everyone kills it this week. Hope everyone's doing good. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.